All right.
Look at that, we're back and we wore the same clothes as last week. Definitely didn't record straight after. But, alright, give me another track. I'm doing the same thing as last time. Give me a number between 1 and 30.
I'll go number 8.
Alright, hang on.
Not far after.
Wait, I'm going to do rap this time. No, wait, I don't even think you can do rap. No, you cannot. I will do... Have you heard that song, Purple Hat?
No.
I'm going to play that.
By who?
I've heard it. It came out last year. It's called, I heard it yesterday for the first time.
Okay.
But it came out last year. It's by someone called... Wait, let me find it. Sofi Tukker. It's a man and a woman.
Wait, is Sophie the woman and Tucker's the man?
Could be. I don't know. They're like an electronic sort of group.
Okay.
Yeah. It got me quite in the mood. I was sort of vibing in the shopping centre. I don't remember it starting. This is a bit Latin, but it doesn't go like this.
Oh shit!
This goes pretty hard, doesn't it?
Yeah.
But it's just fun. Like, I feel like I'm like in like a tribe. I'm just like.
He's got people on the people.
Smoking CO2.
Oh, I like her voice. Oh,
it's like some sort of like
very Bondi Beach. Oh, there's many different styles here. They work well.
This song goes dummy hard, in my opinion.
Yeah, no, I like that.
They have another song that apparently is on ads. Maybe you've heard it. I'm going to play that one too.
Okay.
Apparently. I was told that this is on an ad. I don't actually know that this is on an ad.
Okay. So where would I be able to find this ad?
Apple? I think this is an Apple ad.
They don't usually have vocals on the ad, so maybe there's an instrumental break at some point.
Yeah. Oh, and that other one, Drinky, as well.
Oh, that... Yes, the da-da-da. That is the Apple ad. Yeah.
Oh, there you go.
Wow, that's cool.
Oh, that part.
Yeah.
Da-da-da. There you go, fair enough. So, Shane, that's...
Good on him.
No, what are they called?
Sofi Tukker.
Electro Rob likes that one.
What?
Electro Rob, that's you. When you like your electronic phase.
Nah, that wasn't my style.
House Rob. Alright.
What is my track review for this week? Oh, that's right. Riff Raff released a new song called Big Dog Shit.
Oh.
Whether that's...
D-A-W-G or D-O-G?
No, D-O-G. Oh. So whether that means he's a big dog and does big dog shit, or he's just found a large dog shit.
Well, if it was D-A-W-G, then I'd say he's a big dog.
Yeah.
But
I would say that it's just a big dog shit.
That's what I'm picking up from what he's putting down.
But it's got quite a few sort of memeable features.
Oh, goodness.
So it's a single off of his new album called Vanilla Gorilla.
Oh, I like that name.
And it features Snoop Dogg, Soulja Boy Tell'em,
and his name? Is that his official name?
I think that's his new name, yeah.
Oh, right, his new name.
And Hood Rich Pablo 1.
Oh.
I think, yeah, Hood Rich Pablo 1. So this is big dog shit.
Oh my god, Ronnie.
Oh, Ronnie J.
Did you say Alf?
I don't know. I don't know this person, so I'm guessing that's Hood Rich Pablo 1 or whatever his name is.
No, I think this is Riff Raff.
No! That's a black person singing, isn't it?
No, I think that's Riff Raff. Yeah, that's Riff Raff.
Wow. I've literally never heard a song by Riff Raff, so... That sounded like it. That's
Running around like Pete Rose.
Oh, Pete Doherty.
You're just a tadpole.
What does that even mean?
I don't think any of it means anything.
That's not him, is it? That's him singing right now.
Yeah. I think it's pitched down.
I've literally never heard him sing before, so. Drill.
He's just got like a very southern twang. Pablo Juan is about to come on now.
That sounds like who does that sound like? Sounds a bit like The Baby.
Yeah, but way worse.
Alright, bin this off.
Alright, we'll listen to each of the features.
Big Dog Whip!
The Soldier Boy's about to come on.
Lord. It's not bad. It's not good. People listen to who is it again? The Soldier Boy.
Okay, there's no chorus between this and Snoop Dogg.
Literally, just go listen to The Baby or NLE Chopper or the other one.
Yeah, NLE Chopper is just a...
Translating, elevating, one of a kind. Get involved, biggest dog. Living my best life, do all for y'all. Too small for dog, give me the ball. I do it all, fame, game. I'm in the hall, you can see. I get checks, deposit, direct. I'm all in the bitch nightly.
Snoop Dogg is not a good rapper. I'm sure he's got some good songs.
He ran out of dog puns about 25 years ago. But he still keeps running them. Oh, Lord. What did he say? Something about chasing a ball or something like that?
Yeah, he said, too small for dog, give me the ball.
Who's the other guy I'm thinking of? Oh, Stunner for Vegas.
Oh, yeah.
Literally listen to him, The Baby, NLE Chopper.
Yeah.
Any of it.
They're all just better versions of this, yeah.
Alright, fair enough.
Yeah. They were quite bad.
God,
I don't expect much from Riff Raff, and I'm still disappointed.
I literally don't know who was the worst on that. Probably Snoop Dogg.
No, I would say Riff Raff was the worst.
Oh, I mean, at least he sounded different. The middle two sounded the exact same, just a worse version of The Baby.
Yeah, and Snoop Dogg, we've been hearing that shit for his whole career.
Oh well. It was a good. We had what? We had one good song, or Purple Hat.
And the Apple ad.
And the Apple ad, yeah, exactly.
I would prefer to listen to the Apple ad than that.
Alright, well, there you go.
So tune in tomorrow. You've got your song dissection.
Oh, yes.
And then I am saying what a rapper is spending their money on.
Nice.
We'll see you then. That's a wrap.